Namaskar. I'm Dr. Shikha Gupta, veterinary officer by profession. I believe what you do makes a difference and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. And yes, there is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise. A few months ago, I lost my husband suddenly and my life changed in a fraction of a second. As a single mother of two young kids, my parents and my children are my biggest strength. Out of that pain, I found a new purpose in my life wherein I tried to help the mentally challenged people who lost their loved ones, and the happiness on their face gave me utmost satisfaction. Through the years, I observed the struggles of children in slum areas, lack of knowledge among the parents about the issues of sexual abuse. I wanted to change this. Every child deserves a voice. My purpose became clear: to empower young children through literacy, mentorship, and awareness. Thus, I joined the hands with an NGO and now serve as a district president over there. We work for the upliftment of the underprivileged children, environmental awareness, and educating the children and parents through the Good Touch and Bad Touch sessions. 3 months, we reached 132 schools and around thousands of children. My mission is not just taking session. I want to address the root cause by engaging these children into useful activities, giving them real confidence and to create a real lasting change. अपनी मातृभाषा हिंदी के प्रति प्रेम जागृत करने के लिए हमने विभिन्न स्कूलों में हिंदी दिवस पर हिंदी सुलेख प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया, जिसमें लगभग 1 लाख बच्चों ने भाग लिया. I believe that every small act can create a big change. For this, I involved by preparing society kids to perform Ramayana scenes, spreading joy by becoming Santa, and leading rallies with school children to create animal love. My journey of life taught me that tragedies can either break you or they can shape you. I chose the second one. Today, my purpose is clear: to serve, to empower, and to inspire. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Indian Veterinary Association and Cefi VetMed for providing me this wonderful platform. Your guidance and encouragement inspire me to shine brighter not only in this contest but in my life too.